I mentioned making an epic purchase. So I will show it to you guys. We got a microwave! Are you excited for the microwave stream? We have a fire extinguisher, so it should all be okay. I'm excited to mess with the microwave. It's in the red that says empty, so. This little cat, because it's very feminine. Very girly t-shirt. Really old skin color. Oh my god. Something popped. What is that, bro? It got all over the shirt. Yeah, it popped out the bottom. We will microwave the elf. Do you see that? He's like melted. Oh my god. Okay, maybe now it's done. Maybe now it's done. Ooh. So we will microwave popcorn. I think one popped or it's soaked. It smells good. Little blocks of soap. Why are there spots on my camera? It's becoming big. Ow, 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 ow. That's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Ew, there he goes. Nothing happened to him, he just got a little bit warm. Do we put him in for longer? Nothing happened. Well, maybe we can make something a little... Oh my god, his leg fell off. World's hottest gummy bear. Oh hell no. Ooh, be rather jiggly. So Carl donated a gummy bear. We have to pull out the microwave. I mean, how spicy can it be? It can't be that spicy, right? Here's the bear. The victim. Shall we? Getting black. What the? Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! What was that? Oh.
Faded in the hole. 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 Need I say more?
It's quite spicy in here. It's a little... Hold on, give me a moment. Fuck you, he's so Carl.